Imagine having the power to create billions just by changing your mindset. Does it seem impossible? Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos prove that this is not the case. These two tycoons started from scratch and built empires that revolutionized the world. But what was the secret? Hard work? Intelligence? Yes, but there is something even more powerful that they used: the law of attraction. Have you ever noticed that some people seem to attract money, opportunities, and success naturally, while others struggle their whole lives without great results? This is no coincidence. The truth is, what you think and feel determines what you attract. Musk and Bezos understood this better than anyone. They didn't just desire wealth, they aligned their mind, emotions, and actions to materialize exactly what they wanted. Today, you will discover the 7 principles these billionaires use to manifest wealth, influence, and ultimate success. Best of all, you can apply these same principles to transform your own life, no matter where you are now. But first, one important thing: subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any content like this. Now, let's get straight to the first principle that Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos used to create billions. Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos never expected the future to just happen. They created it first in their minds. Even before launching Amazon, Bezos envisioned a digital empire where anyone could buy anything with one click. He didn't just see an online bookstore, but the largest e-commerce platform in the world. Likewise, Musk didn't just see electric cars or rockets. He saw a colonized planet Mars, a world powered by sustainable energy, a technological revolution that would forever change humanity. This is the difference between those who just dream and those who turn dreams into reality. Their vision was so clear and so strong that even when no one believed, they continued. Bezos quit a secure job on Wall Street because he saw a future where the internet would dominate retail. Musk faced imminent bankruptcies because he saw beyond the immediate obstacles. They knew that if they kept this vision alive, sooner or later reality would bend to their mindset. And here's the key: the mind doesn't distinguish between the real and the imagined. The more you visualize something emotionally, the harder your brain works to make it true. Bezos and Musk didn't just imagine success. They felt like it was already real. And that's what you need to do. Ask yourself, what is your unstoppable vision? Can you see it so clearly that no doubt can erase it? If so, you have already taken the first step towards transforming your reality. But there is a second crucial element that they both use, and that is what we are going to reveal now. Musk and Bezos never limited their ambitions to what seemed possible at the time. They think big because they understand a fundamental truth: your mind defines the size of your success. Bezos could have just created an online bookstore, but he asked himself, what if it was the biggest store in the world? Musk could have just created electric cars, but he wondered, what if we could ditch fossil fuels forever? Their secret is simple but powerful. They don't adjust their dreams to current reality, they expand reality to achieve their dreams. Most people think small because they are afraid of failure, afraid of other people's opinions, or simply cannot imagine something beyond what they already know. But Bezos and Musk operate differently. They don't ask, is this possible? They ask, what does it take to make this possible? This small shift in perspective is what separates ordinary minds from billionaire minds. If you want to achieve something extraordinary, you need to expand your mindset. Stop thinking about small achievements and start imagining the maximum impact you can generate. Don't ask how to make a little more money. Ask how to create unlimited wealth. Don't think about how to improve your life just a little. Think about how to transform it completely. And most importantly, never accept the limits that others try to impose on you. Now that you understand the importance of thinking big, let's reveal one of Musk and Bezos' most hidden secrets: the daily rituals they use to attract wealth and success. Success does not happen by chance. It is built every day through specific rituals and habits. Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos understand that the mind and body need to be aligned with their goals, which is why they follow non-negotiable routines that keep them on the path to high performance. Musk, for example, starts his day by solving the most critical problems first, because he knows that mental energy is a limited resource. He also practices what he calls first principles thinking. Instead of accepting what already exists, he takes a problem down to its essence and reconstructs it in an entirely new way. This habit allows him to see solutions that no one else sees. Bezos, on the other hand, prioritizes rest and time to reflect. Contrary to the mentality of incessant work, he believes that making important decisions with a clear mind is essential. He dedicates the first hours of the day to thinking, reading, and visualizing strategic scenarios because he knows that mental clarity generates better results than simply working more. Furthermore, both Musk and Bezos eliminate distractions and focus on what really matters. They understand that attention is one of the most valuable assets and, therefore, they avoid unnecessary meetings, delegate secondary tasks, and focus energy on what can generate the greatest impact. Now think, what habits do you practice daily? Are they bringing you closer or further away from success? Small adjustments to your routine can completely transform your reality. And speaking of transformation, there is an element that separates those who dream from those who achieve: the ability to make decisions without hesitation. And that's exactly what we're going to talk about now. Musk and Bezos don't waste time with doubts. When they make a decision, they act with absolute conviction because they know that indecision is the biggest enemy of success. While most people hesitate, overanalyze, and wait for the perfect moment, they understand that the perfect moment never comes. It is created by action. Bezos has a clear philosophy. If a decision can be reversed, it must be done quickly. He believes that acting quickly and correcting along the way is much more effective than waiting for certainty that never comes. This thinking allowed Amazon to innovate constantly, testing new ideas without fear of making mistakes. Musk, on the other hand, deeply trusts his intuition and his ability to solve any problem that comes his way. He does not see obstacles as reasons to give up, but as challenges that need to be overcome. When he decided to invest all his money in Tesla and SpaceX, he had no guarantee of success. In fact, most people believed he would fail. But he made the decision and committed himself completely because he knew that the only way to turn a vision into reality is to refuse to back down. Now, think about your own life. How many opportunities have you missed because of hesitation? How many dreams were just on paper because you waited too long? The difference between those who create billions and those who get stuck in mediocrity isn't luck or talent. It's how quickly and firmly they make decisions. So ask yourself, what do you need to decide today? What are you waiting for to take the first step? Because one thing is certain. While you wait, someone more determined is already conquering what could be yours. But even with firm decisions, challenges always appear. The question is, how to turn obstacles into stepping stones to wealth? That's what we're going to find out now. Musk and Bezos don't just face obstacles. They use them as fuel for success. While most people see failures as signs that they should give up, they see each mistake as an opportunity to learn and grow. Musk almost lost everything when SpaceX failed to launch rockets 3 times in a row. Anyone else would have given up, but he used each failure to improve his calculations, tweak the details, and try again. In the 4th launch, SpaceX succeeded and changed the history of space exploration. For him, failure is not the end, but part of the process. He says that if something is really important, you should keep trying, even if the chances seem slim. Bezos has also had his epic fails. Amazon invested in projects that completely failed, like the Fire Phone, which was a commercial disaster. But instead of seeing this as a fatal mistake, he used this experience to create the Amazon Echo and Alexa, which became billion-dollar successes. He believes that great innovations require experimentation and that if you are never failing, it means you are not innovating enough. This is what sets billionaire minds apart. They don't avoid challenges, they seek them, because they know that this is where the greatest growth lies. Now think about your own life. How do you react when something goes wrong? Do you freeze or use this as a chance to evolve? The truth is that every obstacle carries within it a lesson that can take you to a higher level of success. But there's an even deeper secret that Bezos and Musk apply to attracting wealth, and it has everything to do with energy and frequency. Because money isn't just about work, it's about vibration. And that's what you will understand now. Musk and Bezos don't just work to make money. They operate on a frequency where wealth naturally flows to them. While most people view money with fear, insecurity, or scarcity, they vibrate in the energy of abundance, seeing money as an unlimited resource. Bezos never thought small because he believed there would always be more opportunities, more customers, more growth. He didn't worry about the money he spent investing in Amazon because he knew he was creating something much bigger. Likewise, Musk has never been trapped by the fear of losing money. He invested his entire fortune in Tesla and SpaceX because he fully trusted that the returns would come. This absolute confidence in abundance is what attracts the most wealth. Money follows energy. If you fear losing, keep counting every penny, and constantly worry about lack, you are sending a signal of scarcity to the universe. But if you think like Musk and Bezos, understanding that there are always more opportunities and that wealth is a consequence of your mindset, you will naturally start to attract more. They don't operate in the "I need money" mode. They operate in the "I create value and money follows" mode. This is the key to aligning your frequency with abundance. Now, stop and reflect. What is your relationship with money? Do you vibrate in the energy of trust or fear? Do you believe there is enough money for you? Or are you always worried about not having enough? The answer to this may be defining your financial results. But best of all, this mentality can be trained. And in the next step, you will discover exactly how to apply these principles in your everyday life to create your own fortune. Now that you understand how Musk and Bezos use the law of attraction to create billions, the most important question is, how can you apply these principles to your own life, starting today? It all starts with the clarity of your vision. If you don't know exactly what you want, you will never be able to attract or build it. So, define your goal in detail, visualize it every day, and feel as if it were already reality. Then expand your mindset. Stop thinking small and start asking yourself, how can I multiply my earnings? How can I create something of massive value? The bigger your vision, the bigger opportunities you will begin to attract. But vision without action is just a dream. You need to implement habits that align your energy with success. This means eliminating distractions, focusing on what really matters, and making quick decisions without fear of making mistakes. With each choice, ask yourself, does this bring me closer or further away from my fortune? If it's a step in the right direction, act immediately. And when obstacles appear, because they will appear, don't see them as failures, but as opportunities for growth. Every mistake brings a lesson that can accelerate your path to success, as long as you have the right mindset to see it through. Finally, align with the frequency of abundance. Stop worrying about money as if it were a scarce resource and start seeing it as something natural that flows to those who create value. Change your internal dialogue. Instead of thinking, I don't have the money for this, ask yourself, how can I generate enough value to achieve this? This small adjustment completely changes your vibration and opens doors that previously seemed impossible. Everything you want already exists. You just need to align yourself with the right energy to receive it. And if you're ready to take this step, subscribe to the channel now, leave your comment saying which of these principles impacted you the most, and share this video with someone who needs to hear this message. Your journey to wealth starts now. Success is not a mystery reserved for a few. Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos were not born billionaires. They learned to master their mindset, align their actions, and turn challenges into stepping stones to greatness. Now, you have access to the same principles they use to create wealth. The difference between those who just dream and those who achieve is in the action. If you want to change your financial life, you need to start now. Your vision needs to be unwavering. Your mindset needs to be growth. Your habits need to reflect the person you want to become. And above all, your decisions need to be quick and accurate. Time waits for no one, and every day you postpone change is a day lost in building your fortune. And if you've ever wondered why some people make a lot of money easily, while you, even with so much sacrifice, study, and dedication, can't prosper, if you want to discover the secrets that helped me unlock my mind and go from debt to millionaire in less than 1 year, I have something amazing for you. In my new book, Rich Mind, I'm going to show you that getting rich is easy, and that what's really difficult is convincing yourself of it. If you want to put an end, once and for all, to your hidden enemies who sabotage your success and unlock your mind to make money towards the life you deserve, I will leave the official link for you to download the Rich Mind ebook here in the description and in the first comment pinned to this video. Dare to think differently. Let's continue. Stop for a moment and think. If Musk and Bezos had hesitated, if they had let fear control their choices, would they be where they are today? Of course. They took risks, made mistakes, learned, and moved forward without looking back. And now it's your turn. What will you do with this knowledge? Are you just going to listen and go back to your usual routine? Or are you going to apply these principles to transform your reality? The decision is in your hands. If this content made sense to you, subscribe to the channel now and turn on notifications to continue receiving powerful insights about mindset and prosperity. Leave your comments saying which of these strategies impacted you the most and share this video with someone who needs to hear this message. Your journey to abundance begins the moment you choose to act. So, choose now and start building your legacy.